Tour guided tour by me, Keith Lemon. So first up, here in my dressing room, this is where I dress in this room. You see it's got some gifts here that people have sent me and stuff, which is nice because it was my birthday and I right appreciate the gifts. It's nice to have gifts in it. That's a nice shirt, isn't it? Okay, follow us. So this is where I'll sit and watch television and stuff and just practice my breakdance moves and such. And I'll take you to each dressing room. You can't smell it, but it does smell of fish, and that's not because we're at Fern Cotton's, the dressing rooms, because someone's having fish and chips. It smells that. So here's dressing room number 2. Probably Fern Cotton. Well, I know it is if she's in there. If she is in there, we're in luck. She got clothes on. She's got clothes on. Hey, we're just doing a tour guide, got DVD.
Hi!
Hey, it's Fern Cotton from television and radio!
Hello there, how are you?
This is her dressing room.
Yeah.
Are we allowed in?
Well, not past this bit.
Oh, right.
You are,
yeah.
but you're not.
Alright. Well, inside there, this is where you just get dressed and stuff in it and wear.
Yeah, put clothes on.
Put clothes on, do your hair.
Makeup on,
put makeup on,
dinner.
Eat dinner.
Don't ever let him in, ever. You've never actually been in here before.
I have, loads of times.
No, you haven't.
I have.
You haven't.
I have.
You haven't.
I have.
You haven't.
I have.
You haven't.
I have. Bless you.
You haven't.
I have.
But you haven't?
I have.
No.
I have. Dissolve cut, loads. Well, okay, I have then. Well, I'll see you later, yeah?
Bye.
Alright.
You won't see me later.
I will.
Bye.
I will. I will.
You won't.
I will.
You won't.
I will.
You won't.
I will.
You won't.
I will.
No returns, you won't.
I will. I will. Okay, you're right. Yeah, just doing a guided tour.
Right, good.
Okay. So here we are in the makeup room, which apparently, do you want me to come in later on when it's more hustle and bustle?
Yeah, when it's all buzzy.
Well, it's less buzzy now, but it's a bit buzzy. Some people having makeup put on. Davina McCall, they're having a weave put in. She's just having a dinner and a weave put in. She's got right short hair, like a boy, they glue it in. Look, audience is enjoying themselves. This is where Rufus Sound is, in his dressing room. There he is, tweeting. Just tweeting. Satire.
Just texting the guys at the UN. Very exciting stuff about Osama coming in. So, yeah, apparently it wasn't him. Awkward. Just some. Well, they've said foreigner. So, I mean, probably a terrorist. So.
Anyway, Cosby Show used to be good, didn't it? But I laughed at that show. Come on. This is the production office. This is where the production team produce. They come up with games and rounds and get the guests.
Who's on the show tonight,
On
Kate?
tonight's show, where you're lucky enough to have a guided tour by me, it's Davina McCall, Paddy McGuinness, Tom Parker and Max George from Wanted, and David Guetti and Brendan Sheeran.
Who's Brendan Sheeran, Keith?
Is he someone's dad? I don't know who he is. Yeah, he's having we're having chips.
Yeah.
Chips.
Fajita.
Chips and a fajita. These are some of the extraordinary foreign foods that are available here at Riverside Studios. Very exotic. I hope you've got an exotic palate when you're dining here, because the food is from all around the world. It's amazing. Now, here, come out here. Look at this lovely sunny day in the studio all day. But look, all the crew, they're all having the food because it's summer, eh? There's Tension Derby. And then there's like a barbecue scenario. I don't know if it is a barbecue. But you might recognise this view from TFI Friday with Chris Evans. That is the window up there. Remember the window in that show where he had a window? That what window? Okay, come this way. You come up here. Where we're going now is where we came down, but now we're going back up.
Where are we going?
Now, normally, that's the toilet there. That's gents, that's ladies.
Yeah.
In this little, I like to call it a coven. It's that coven, isn't it?
Yeah.
Here is dressing room number 4. Normally, that would be Holly Willoughby. But on tonight's show, Davina McCall is replacing her because Holly has been out on the piss and has decided to urinate on foxes as a hobby. So bizarre. Hi. Okay, we're going to go into the studio now, and this is where we go in when we're going. That's Toby, the director there. It's going to be a good show tonight,
It's gonna be a
yeah?
great one tonight.
It's a shame we haven't got you directing this, the guided tour, Celebrity
He's
Juice
doing a
on
good job,
DVD. Yeah, well, come on, I'll show you. So we'll gather round here before we're going on to the show, have a few drinks and stuff, especially Fern. She's on tequila and everything. Then we come down here. So warm up, man's warming the audience up. Come down here. Then we congregate here. And here we'll chat about what's going to happen and stuff. Then someone will go, Holly Willoughby and Fern Cotton and Rufus Sound. And then they'll say, Keith Lemon. And I'll come on. And I'll use this ramp here to go like that. And as you can see now, they're cleaning it up for tonight's show. This is where audience sit. These are reserved seatings. I think these are for people that came to see the show but they didn't let them in because they had trainers on. You only allowed them with shoes on and a tie.
Oh, right.
So the reserved seats for them. Say, come back next week with a shoe and tie on.
I've got a tie on, Keith, but
Yeah,
I've got
yeah.
shoes on, but that'd be alright.
He's got a tie on,
But no.
but no shoes. Oh well, you're all right. I know you.
Alright, thanks.
So
What's this, Keith?
this is called a camera. They look into it here. See, like so, like this, and film the show. Worst seat in the house there, especially if the cameraman's got a sweaty ass. Know what I mean? Oh, I thought I was going to drop one then. I thought, oh, just there.
No.
Won't show up. Oh, I'm going to go shit myself. So this is supposed to replicate Hollywood Boulevard sort of thing. Stars, myself there, Cotton, Willoughby. And these at desks, I sit here. Come have a look behind the desk if you want. I always like to have two baby dolls there, just to steer me away from any sort of filth. I remember about babies and stuff like that, and then I feel all pure again. Oh, here it comes. There it was. I told you I had one. Oh, Christ, nearly ripped myself a new one then. This is where panellists sit. If you're watching it on telly, you probably often what they're looking down at here. They've got a monitor here, and this shows them all VTs, which stands for videotape and stuff. So if you come this way, that's called a telly. That's a telly. Here's an interesting sector, or if you're American, sector. Here's the art department busy making art. Here they're making the lift, scaled model of the lift from the show Take Me Out. And this is for a game where these celebrities will come down and the audience have to say if they like it or don't like it, because Paddy McGuinness is a guest. So that's the sort of theme. There's a kind of conjunction there, if you follow me. It's a storage cupboard full of cameras. That's Fern's fan, they're only one.
Joke dance?
Like that. So if you come back out here, back, you're going to smell of fish. Let me show you into the dining bit here.
I think there might be a like.
How's it going?
Nice to see you.
I'm just doing a guided tour for DVD.
Get stuck in.
I'm just showing them this bit here.
It's lovely.
So this is where guests of friends and family and competition winners and I don't know, where are you from? Where? How have you got the seating area here? They know people, so that's why they're in here. And those people there are queuing to get in at the bar. And afterwards, we'll socialise with everyone and say, thanks for coming, I'm glad you enjoyed it, come again. It's on at 10 o'clock Thursday tomorrow, that sort of thing. Ryan, anywhere else? Oh, upstairs?
Alright. Gallery.
Yeah, it's a gallery. Up to the gallery and green room. See, it's glamorous, isn't it?
So we do like Annika Rice. I can like grab you.
Is it awkward? Isn't it glamorous up here? Get the jacket like Annika Rice. Now, you might be mistaken and think that we're off to see Elephant Man now we've climbed these stairs. Remember in film, he was right up these stairs. But no, this is the glamorous green room, next client room. No clients in there. This is production control. As you can see, it's all full of hustle and bustle in here. Don't know where everyone is because we'll be doing a show soon. This is where they put in all the VTs and director goes, camera 1, camera 2, camera 3, camera 4, action! Sort of thing. Aye. Edit. If we want the VT, I think this is where it runs through or something.
Yeah, this is where it stands for videotape. This
Oh, this
happens
videotape room.
Yeah.
Oh, VT and VSs. What's that for? Yeah, I'm gonna like them. You see, it's a bit like cockpit of Millennium Falcon in Star Trek.
Yeah.
Come down here. And here's the green room. Now, a bit of Sheffield for you. This was actually where Chris Evans would conduct his interviews on TFI Friday. Remember, there was a window, and it was all in here. It don't look like it was in here, does it? But it was in here, because it was.
Do you want to pretend you're Chris Evans and I'll be a guest coming in?
Yeah, okay.
Alright, so I've just, with Riverboat Song's just gone on, you know, whatever something like.
Sorry, I'm falling fat. Hello! Please welcome yourself to TFI Friday. I'm Chris Evans, and welcome on show, Sarah Michelle Gellar from Buffett Vampire Slayer. Sit down! Hey, we haven't seen you on telly for a while. What have you been up to?
Just been pissing on foxes.
Just been pissing on foxes?
Yeah.
What's the point?
I think it's a sexual thing.
Is it a sexual thing? Do you feel triumphant when you've pissed on a fox? Well, let's shout at someone out window. Let's use window. There's one. Hurrah! See? They're all out there. We're just filming a bit for the DVD, doing a tour. You're all on DVD. Tell your mates. They're all on DVD, aren't they?
Yep.
Oh, my phone's ringing. Hi, Becky. Hello? Oh, excuse me. I think I didn't put my mate's name down on Bliss. Just getting rid of bins for guests. Is that what you're doing? Yeah.
Right. Well, is there anywhere else you'd like to go on the tour, Keith?
I don't know where else there's to go.
Probably pretty good, wouldn't it? Should we have some sort of sign-off? What about on the stairs?
Okay.
Go on the stairs, isn't it?
Well, that was the Celebrity Juice Guided Tour by me, Keith Fleming. My name's Keith Fleming. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of the DVD. Thanks for being here, and come back again one day when we have another DVD, which will probably be the best of series 4, 5, and 6. Then after that, we'll have 7, 8, and 9. And after that, 10, 11, 12, and 13 and 14. So don't see it for a week, I'll see it for a window. We're just going on now. I told you earlier, this is where we come in. I've got change. We're going in now. So I'll see you on the other side. I just had a poo. It's the most spherical shit I've ever had in my life. Right? Like, boom.
He's the world's best DJ. It's David Cameron. One of the country's biggest boy bands today. And here are two of the members. Let's hear it for Tom Max from the 1-2. The next guest can only be Juice's resident funny man. It's the one. It's the only. Woof woof. Rufus House! Please welcome tonight's team captains. With us is Frank Cotton and Davina McCall.
Tom and which one's Max?
Max is
Skinner.
the wrong way round.
Max Skinner.
Yeah.
I'm just testing you.
And there's one person we've forgotten.
I've got my
So
keys.
please be upstanding
Let me
for the one, the only, it's your host, Mr. Keith Lemon!